Hi, my name is Jessica on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana bread. In this clip, we're going to be mixing the shortening and the sugar together. So you're going to go ahead and measure out your sugar. And you want to make sure you get it nice and level to make the measurement exact. So we're just going to go ahead and dump that in our bowl. So that's our 3/4 cup of sugar. So then we're going to measure out a 1/3 cup of shortening. Just scoop that out with your spatula. Put it in there. Okay. So that looks about right. Go ahead and dump that in our bowl. Make sure you get all the stuff on the inside. There you go. And go ahead and put that aside. Then we're going to mix this together. So you're going to want to mix that till it's pretty well blended. We're going to mix it some more later, so it doesn't need to be all the way mixed up together, but that's pretty good.